In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the currency in Google Sheets in just 1 minute. It's a simple process, and I'll walk you through it step by step, ensuring that by the end of this video, you'll be able to confidently change the currency format according to your needs. Let's get started. First, you'll need to open up your Google Sheets. You can do this by navigating to docs.google.com, spreadsheets, selecting one from your saved documents, or creating a new sheet if you don't already have one prepared. Having your spreadsheet open and ready is the foundation for this task. Now that your sheet is open, the next step is to select the cell or range of cells where you want to change the currency. You do this simply by clicking and dragging your mouse over these cells. If you're looking to change the currency for the entire sheet, you can select the top left corner above row numbers and in front of column letters, which will highlight the entire spreadsheet. With your desired cells selected, move your cursor to the top of the sheet and click on the Format menu option. This is where you'll find a variety of options to adjust how your data is displayed, including font, number formats, and more. It's a versatile tool that can help your data appear exactly as you want it. Once the Format menu is open, hover over the Number submenu. This is where you can fine-tune how numerical data is represented in your spreadsheet. In our case, we're interested in adjusting the currency, so let's delve into that. From the Number submenu, you'll see a selection titled Custom Currency. Click on this option to open a new window where you can specify exactly which currency format you desire. Now, here's where you make your specific choice for currency. Look for the search field at the top of the window and type in Euro. Google Sheets offers a comprehensive list which you can search through, so if another currency is needed, you can type that in instead. After you type Euro, you will see it appear in the options. Click on Euro to select it as your chosen currency format. Once selected, you'll see a preview of how your data will appear with this currency. The final step is to click on Apply. This button confirms your selection and updates the format of your selected cells to the Euro currency. You should see your numbers now displayed with the Euro symbol. And there you have it. In just a few quick steps, we've gone through changing the currency in Google Sheets. You can use this method to convert to any currency available in the custom currency list. Thanks for watching, and I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment or check out more of our tutorials for tips and tricks.